Hey everybody, how you doing? This is QuickBooks for Real Estate Investors. This is going to be part 7B of adding depreciation accounts. I encourage you to check out part 7A if you haven't already. And we're going to pick up right where we left off. So I'm going to go to Control A to bring up Chart of Accounts, maximize that window. And I'm going to start messing with this depreciation expense account. And I want this depreciation expense hierarchy and organization to match what I've got already for my accumulated depreciation account. So I've set up a top level header account. I call it a header account, and then I've set up two sub accounts, commercial and residential depreciation. And what I'm going to do is now match that with my depreciation expense, because every time you make a depreciation entry, you're going to make it to both of these accounts. So you want them to match up. Depreciation expense will show up as a yearly item, where this accumulated depreciation will show up as a running balance. All right, so let's get into it. Control N makes a new account. Down, spacebar for fixed asset. Control Enter moves you right along. I'm going to call this commercial. I'm going to make it a sub account of my what is it? Depreciation expense? Oh, I'm sorry. I messed up. If anybody can tell me what I messed up on, that would be awesome. You might be able to catch it. I'll hit escape and get out of here. But first, you look. My account type is fixed asset. That was incorrect. I wanted it to be an expense. So I can change it here, or I could go out and start over. And the reason I caught that is because I tried to make, let's go back, fixed asset. So I typed depreciation. I started typing depreciation, and normally that would just pop right up. But since it's a fixed asset account, QuickBooks only lets me choose from fixed asset accounts that I already have. I cannot make a sub account of a fixed asset from an expense account. So they've got to be same. The accounts have got to be same. So I goofed that up. So whoops, cancel. Let's get out of there. Delete. So I'm going to change this account type to an expense, and I'll start over just so you can see how that looks from the beginning. So I did Control N, and I should have down arrowed only once to expense, spacebar, Control Enter. And now we're back to the same window. So I'm going to go commercial, tab, spacebar, sub account of depreciation expense. There it is. Don't mess with any of the stuff here in the optional box. You can do, let's do save and new. I went tab to the bottom, and then I highlighted save and new, and I hit enter. And that way I can just keep going in this window, so I don't have to keep going back to my chart of accounts and then opening it up again. You'll notice that the account type stays the same, expense. And I'm going to name this residential. Tab, spacebar, depreciation expense, tab. And I'm going to hit Control Enter, save and close. Now, depreciation expense accounts match up perfectly with my accumulated depreciation accounts. So I've got commercial depreciation, residential. I've got commercial and residential. I will do another video to show you what the entry looks like. I think we've first got to get some assets in here before we can do depreciation. But that's good enough for now. Leave me a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know how I'm doing. And if you've got a specific QuickBooks problem you need some help with, send me an email or shoot me a message on YouTube, and I will make a video addressing your issue and give you some pointers. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.